I am Jean Charles Blais and this is my studio in Vence. I am an artist, a painter. Usually I paint on posters. When I work, I just want to be surprised and to feel that something I don't know before is coming. I really try to find something I don't know. I work on many paintings at the same time, and I would say it's like a team. Each painting is start in different time, but they build a sort of family. At the beginning, I don't know the way. I try to make an image that I already have in my head. If you want to do something that you don't know before, you have to take this sort of risk.